but it's different method. It's cumulative license, direct cumulative license.
License immunoassay system.
And for this one, for
So
this
what are
one
the
we have
certificates?
comprehensive.
Wingsin, do you have the respective certificates to practice safe practice?
Yes, we have the CE, DOC, ISO, and the FSC.
So ISO 13485, you have SC, CE mark. Okay, IVD. So can I know about the prices? About what's your terms and conditions?
7,000 for this machine.
7? How much?
7,000.
So how about the payment methods? Do we need to pay at once or initial payment, then partial payments?
We need to pay at once.
Oh, advance, okay. $7,000.
Yeah, $7,000.
Okay. How about the other models?
There's also for cumulative license, we only have one model. Oh, you mean Pure City?
Yeah.
Different model has different price. Like the single channel, we are 500. And for the 12 channels, we are 1,500.
Oh, single channel 500 only, yeah.
Yes, 500 only.
Warranty only 1 year.
Yeah, warranty 1 year. And this one is IFC 100 is 300.
Okay. So after the warranty period, do you sign any post warranty agreements?
Actually, for this one, we don't have any sign. But after the evaluation, we will sign up the contract with the distributors, and we will mention the warranty is 1 year.
Yeah, okay. So for the Asian market, do you have any distributors, authorized distributors for your company, or are you directly sending your devices from China? Do you have any distributors in this region? Wingzin, do you have any distributors in this market?
In Sri Lanka?
Yeah, Sri Lanka or India.
We for the single channel we have distributors. Other channels we don't have now.
Oh, you have distributors in Sri Lanka.
For single channel we have.
Can I know who are they? Is it okay to ask who are they? What's the company name?
No, Sri Lanka we don't have any distributors. In
Oh,
Sri
okay.
Lanka we don't have any. We don't have any the distributors.
Oh, okay,
Just
okay.
in Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan.
Right. So in that case, Wingzin, is it do you are you looking for any distributors or partners for your company in Sri Lankan market covering Sri Lanka and India?
Sure. Sure. We also looking for the distributors to cover the Sri Lanka.
We also can do for India as well. Sri Lanka, India,
India.
we can do that.
Yeah, India is a huge market for that.
Yeah, we can cover that one as well.
Yeah, you can also do Indian because we have one distributor under discussion, but now start.
Oh, okay, okay. What's the company name in India?
Mm-hmm. Victoria.
Is it a company name or the
Yeah,
person's name?
it's company name. Victoria Medical. Sorry, because there are so many companies in India. Maybe you don't know him.
Okay. Okay, then Wingzin, we are really interested about your products. I'm very happy to see the products, and I'm very much interested,
Yes,
about your
yes, yes.
products. And
Yes, I think
I really like to go to the next step to have your approval to work as distributors for your company, and we really love to talk about your company to our market as well.
yes, yes. I think we can cooperate.
Yeah, so let's talk about that one, about the next steps, how we can sign or how we can join together to sell your products in Sri Lankan market. We can be your distributors.
Yes, yes. We can sign up the contract with the distribution.
Yeah, and one more question, Wingzin, do you have all the spare parts for the, let's say during the technique, you are providing 1 year warranty, right?
Yeah, 1 year warranty. We have the spare parts.
Okay, so if something happens within 1 year, do you take the entire responsibility to change the machine? Is it work that
Uh,
way?
Not change the machine, but we will solve the problem until it works. So if it not works, we can change the machine.
Yeah, that's what, right. So you can't come from China all the way to Sri Lanka or India to repair the machine, right?
Yes, yes, because currently we just have one engineer for in charge of the whole market. But in the future, we will have our own local engineer too.
Yeah, that's we after the collaboration wings in, we can get the training from your main engineer, and we
Yes,
can do the
yes,
repairs covering all the local markets.
yes, yes, correct.
Okay, so we really love to get that thing, and we really work for your company by working as distributors to the company, and we also like to get the training from your engineer to look after the machine for you. You don't need to do, or you don't need to come from all the way from China to take care of the machine during the warranty period.
Yes, but we can also sometimes we will have the business trip to our partners.
Okay.
Let me share you the agent agreement. You can check our content.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So then, Wingzin, I think that's all. We are really glad, and I'm really happy to see the machines. And in Sri
Mm-hmm.
Lanka, we don't have much suppliers for these kind of machines. You send me
Oh,
something?
really?
Yeah, Sri Lanka, there are, because your medical products, Wingzin, these machines are for biomedical labs, right? For analyzers, right?
Yeah, analyzers.
Yeah, this is for analyzers. But in Sri Lanka, there are more and more medical labs are coming up. Government sector, private sector, more medical labs are coming up. We don't have much competitors. We have only around 3 to 5 devices, 3 to 5 variety of suppliers.
Oh, so have a lot of opportunities.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So if we have a good price, and if we and the other problem in Sri Lanka is they simply sell the medical device, and once a problem comes, nobody comes to take care to repair. So then only the company
Mm.
owners will think, yeah, we got the machine from a wrong person. So if we take care of the price, and if we provide a good service after the sales, after sale services, then we can get the market.
Oh, oh, it's a good time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because Sri Lanka is, after the COVID and after the economic issue, now Sri Lanka is growing.
Yes,
So we
yes,
have a good opportunity. If we both join together, we can
yes,
do the technical things for you. If we get the trainings from your company, and we can do that. There are so many opportunities in Sri Lanka nowadays.
yes, yes. I think we can cooperate and we will win the big market.
Yes, yes. Okay,
For the
Wings
quotation,
in.
I think I can.
Yeah, what did you say?
I think for the quotation, I can share you the quotation.
Sure, sure. So you can share all the agreements, how we can be your local suppliers, and also we are really glad to get
Mm.
the. I mean, we just need to get the trainings, and we need to be responsible for your company in the local market, and we just want to sell your products through our company to the local market. And whenever the technical issue
Yes.
comes, you take the responsibility. You don't need to send your engineer from all the way to way from China. Okay.
Yes. 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 Thank
Okay
you
then.
so much.
And thank you so
Yeah.
much, Wingzin.
Then I
Let's
was.
let's yeah, let's stay connected, and we will discuss about this further. Okay.
Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem.
Okay, Wingzin. Thank you so much. Thank you for the time.
Also, thank you for your time.
Okay. Have a good night. Bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.